Hi, welcome back to the Magnetic IDEX channel. Let me show you really quickly how fast and easy it is to switch filament. At 100C, I can just do a quick pull. This is essentially a cold pull. At this point, the printer is at temperature. Now we put the filament right back in. And we drive it. I can feel some resistance. And we're in business. Now we're going to extrude. And when it's done extruding, watch this. And observe the little benchy. Go to layer 3, please. There we go. That's more like it. Takes the load off of homing for the bench press. Super happy.